Hey there, I'm going to create a template for you and just give you instructions on how to set up an APA formatted researched essay. This is going to be done in business format, not your standard academic format. We start out with a page number. So I'm going to go over here to Insert. Well, excuse me, first I went to Insert and I selected Header. I'm going to go to Page Number, top of the page, and I select it there. Now, if for some reason you wanted to start the numbering different, you would go here to Format, and you can start at a different page number. But I'm starting at 1. So there's Insert, Page Number, top of the page, on the right. Now I go back up to the top of my page, and where I've got my page numbers, let's see, I got 1, page 2. Now go over to the side and just type the title for your running head. Helps if you spell title correctly, but there you go. This is your running head. And this is just so that should the paper be printed out and your pages get separated, the person will know how to put them back together properly. Come up here to Design and then close your header footer. Alright, on your title page, you'll want your title, your name, the class name and number, and the date. We then go to the second page, which you can see is already numbered, title and page 2. I prefer a title on the top of the first page. Again, find out from your instructor how they would like it. Alright, we're going to go up here to Home. We're going to select left, align left. Oh, excuse me, wait. Come to the second line. And I'm going to select Home and Left Justify. Now, when you start out, it is going to be all the way at the far left margin. And then we want to make sure, too, that our pages are set out, our layout is correct. So go up here to Layout, select Margins, and you want Normal, which is 1 inch all the way around. Alright, so our typing can start here. You want to hit your Tab key and go in once and then just type away. And then when it goes over to the next line, it automatically goes over to where it should. And it's, every time you hit Enter, it goes back to the tabbed. Alright, we'll type our essay, and then we go to the next page was References. The word references are centered in the middle. Be careful of, you can use your Microsoft Word to set up your references for you. And you select APA format. You would select Insert a citation, add a new source, and you select what kind of reference that you're using, whether it's from a website or a magazine or so on. Now, the only problem I find with the Microsoft Word, it tends to do it correctly. However, it takes the word references and puts it on the left margin instead of centering it. So you'll have to. What I normally do is set my references up as a second document and then just copy and paste them here. If somebody knows how to move that title page or the references over, please let me know. Alright, so I've started my references. I'll go to the next line. I go back to Home. I select Left Justify. Now, for your references for APA, MLA are a hanging indent. So you select Paragraph. And under Paragraph, it selects you go to hanging indent. oh, and I forgot to mention earlier, in a business type report, we are doing single spacing. So select single space. All right, so here's our entry. And what will happen, it'll go, the first line will always be indented, or excuse me, at the left margin, and the second line is indented. And then you hit enter and it takes you back to the left again. All right, folks, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions or recommendations, let me know. Thanks.